mama do this? Please let mommy do this. What's up, beauties? It's your girl Dynasty, aka Flawless D, and I am back today with another video. And as always, I am so excited because in today's video, I am going to be showing you how I achieved this very cute, very soft, very natural makeup look. Yes, I know a lot of y'all are always saying, you know, D, I don't want to wear that crazy liner. I don't know how to do that crazy eyeshadow. Well, sis, this is the video that you have been waiting on, okay? I am going to show you how I achieved this very easy look using very affordable products, okay? So if you are new to the channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that good notification bell so you do not miss when I upload a video. Also, don't forget to follow my Instagram so you can keep up with me when I'm not on YouTube. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I want to thank you for all your support, and I will talk to you later. Bye.
Okay, I'm just starting off by priming my face with this 24 Karat Gold Primer by Nicka K. I love this primer, y'all. It's so good, especially with a matte foundation. And then I'm just taking this LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm using it as my eyeshadow base today, which I usually do not do. I don't use concealers as eyeshadow bases because concealers are what? They're made for the face. So they're going to have a lot of moisture. They're going to crease on the eyelids. I try to stray away from them. I know a lot of girls do it, but with me having really oily skin, I don't usually do this. But since this look, I'm not going to be needing it for longer than about 6 hours. It should be okay. Okay, now we're just going into this Juvia's Place palette, into that orange color, and I'm just going to be packing it, building up that color into my crease, y'all. Really simple, just using a swiping motion into my crease. Yeah, I'm sorry. I know this voiceover is all over the place. I've been recording at home. I've been recording in the car. I've been so busy trying to move and get ready for my last semester of school. You know, you just got to do what you got to do sometimes. But next, we're just going to go right back into that same palette. I went into the brown color, and I'm just literally packing it onto my lid, y'all. I took a little bit of the color, and I dusted it off. I dusted it off on my palette. I just tapped the brush one time so I wouldn't have too much product on the brush, and I literally packed it onto my lid, y'all. So simple, so easy. Okay, as you can see right here, I'm just going in with some eyeliner and smudging it out. Nothing, you know, hard, really simple. But before I did that, I did go back into that orange color in the Juvia's Place palette and blended those two colors on my eyes together just to make sure there's no harsh lines. And y'all, that is literally it. I am done with the eyeshadow. Nothing hard, nothing crazy, done. I did feel a little darker under the eyes, and I kind of smudged it a little bit too low, so I did decide to color correct just so my eyes underneath could have a nice bright effect. Now I'm just going in with my favorite drugstore foundation. I'm mixing two of the colors. I believe it's the Mocha and Maple. I mix those colors and they just give me my perfect shade. So I'm just going to mix those colors, and I'm going to dampen my beauty blender just a little bit with some water, and I'm just going to blend that out onto my face, making sure it's nice and flawless. Sis, let me tell you what you've been sleep on. These Click Cover Concealers by Absolute New York are a bomb, okay? They are a bomb. When I tell you the coverage on these things are so, just so amazing. They are so pigmented. The formula is just so lightweight, but still very full coverage at the same time, y'all. I can't get over it. I need all the shades. I highly recommend this concealer. Like, just look at how this is blending out. I know y'all see that. Like, do y'all see how it's blending out? Y'all, bomb, okay? Now, y'all know I love me some Black Radiance setting powders. I actually got this one in the shade or yeah, the shade Honeymoon. I've never used this, and this is my first time using it. I actually liked it. I don't like it as much as the banana, but I think it still looks nice. I think it'll look even better on like an even deeper skin tone than mine. Now I'm just going straight into this contour powder. I'm not using like a cream or a foundation first. Today I just really wanted a really matte, just kind of natural look. So I just went straight in with the powder. And here I'm just contouring my nose. People always ask me why I draw a circle on my nose, y'all, because I literally like a button nose. I like my nose to look like, y'all ever seen the Who people? Like in Whoville off the Grinch? I love that. Like, that's literally how I want my nose to look. So that's how I draw it. You do not have to contour your nose like this. Like, you don't have to contour your nose at all. This is just how I like mine, okay? So don't come for me, all right? And I'm using that same orange that I used on my eyes for blush. And that contour palette to highlight with. Here I'm just going in with my favorite lip combo from Kiss. Y'all know where it came from, the beauty supply store, girl. Y'all know how I feel about the beauty supply store. And if you don't, go watch my previous video, sis. You're going to find out real quick. You guys, makeup is makeup is makeup is makeup. Honey, we can use concealer as lipstick. Who said that we couldn't? That's what we're doing. All right, beauties, that basically wraps up this video. Very cute, very quick, very easy to do. Y'all let me know in the comments below what you think about this look. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that good old notification bell so you do not miss when I upload a video. I'm thinking that I want to do a vlog, you guys. I just took a trip and I think I got enough content to hit you guys with this vlog. So go ahead and comment vlog in the comments if you want to see that, and so I know it's real and that you made it to the end. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you later.